Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of handful. A quantity that fills the hand. For example, a small handful of fresh cilantro. The second definition of handful. A person who is very difficult to deal with or control. For example, the kids could be such a handful. American pronunciation. Handful. Handful. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Handful. Say. Handful. Handful means quantity that fills hand. Handful. Handful. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Expectant youngsters caught handfuls of kitchels at the Harwich's historic mayor-making ceremony. Now, repeat after me. Expectant youngsters caught handfuls of kitchels at the Harwich's historic mayor-making ceremony. The second practice. She flung the whole handful through the doorway and continued her spell. Now, repeat after me. She flung the whole handful through the doorway and continued her spell.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.